What's up friends, this is Musawwir Jamil and you're watching Tech Issues. Friends, if you have not yet subscribed to our channel, then subscribe it and press the bell icon to not miss any updates from our upcoming videos. So without wasting of time, let's start the video. The best smartwatch needs to be able to monitor your health, track your location when exercising, offer a variety of other applications that you won't normally see on your smartphone, support good battery life, and perhaps most importantly, have an affordable price. We have reviewed and ranked all of the best smartwatches on the market right now, and we have come up with our definitive list of top 5 devices you can buy today that you will find in this video. These will likely work best when paired to one of the best smartphones on the market, but some of the models even work without a phone at all. You should note that certain smartwatches are limited in what phones they will work with. Throughout our review process, we look at the design, features, battery life, specifications, price, and more for each smartwatch. Rank it against the competition and enter it into the list you will find in this video. These are the best cheap smartwatch deals available right now. Number 1. Apple Watch SE. The Apple Watch SE is the best smartwatch money can buy right now, but it's only the right choice for you if you own an iPhone. Watch this video for our second choice in the list. If you do have an iPhone, you may wonder why the Apple Watch 6 doesn't take our title of very best smartwatch. That's because the Apple Watch SE does almost everything that smartwatch can, but for a much lower price. The Apple Watch SE comes with some top-end specifications and high-end design and a great range of features that you cannot get on every other smartwatch right now. The battery life isn't the best on the market and there isn't always on display, but if you are after a great value for money choice for your next rest companion, you should opt for the Apple Watch SE. Number 2. Samsung Galaxy Watch 3. The best smartwatch money can buy right now if you own an Android phone is the Galaxy Watch 3 from Samsung. It also works with an iPhone though, and this is the company's most accomplished wrist wear yet. The Galaxy Watch 3 features a unique rotating bezel that makes navigating around the smartwatch a joy. We find that a lot easier than trying to use the display, which is something you have to do on a lot of other smartwatches in this list. Applications available on the watch are more limited in the Wear OS or Watch OS to reveal smartwatch operating systems, but it still offers the core base, and Samsung is provided a watch that's good at fitness as well as sporting a great design and lots more functionality too. Features are more limited if you're using this with an iPhone, but it's still compatible with those devices. We would recommend it considering the Apple Watch though if that's your phone of choice. Number 3. Apple Watch 6. The Apple Watch 6 isn't taken the top spot on our best smartwatch list, but this is the absolute best device you can get if you own an iPhone. Why isn't it ranked above the Apple Watch SE? Because it's a lot more expensive than that option. The Apple Watch 6 works seamlessly with the Apple's phones, and it's well worth considering if you plan to stick with the iPhone range for at least a few years. It isn't a huge upgrade over the Apple Watch 5 though. There are new features like blood oxygen monitoring and an upgrade chipset, but largely it's a similar device with the exact same screen and design. All of that said, if you are after an Apple Watch, this is the best from the company ever, and it may be made especially for you to strap around your wrist and pair with your iPhone. Number 4. Fitbit Versa 3. Do not want something from either Samsung or Apple? The Fitbit Versa 3 may be the best for your wrist, and this latest smartwatch from the company is one of the best wrist companions for those who want to focus on fitness features. There is built-in GPS. The design is comfortable to wear and the display is easy to view with the crisp images, like previous Fitbit smartwatches. The mostly focused on fitness and won't be for everyone. Number 5. Fossil Sport. Fossil has developed a lot of expertise in the wearable tech space over the last few years, and this is all culminating in the best smartwatch the company has made so far. It features GPS, a lightweight yet premium design, and at least 2 days of battery life from a single charge. Fossil has packed a Snapdragon Wear 3100 chipset inside, which is the latest update from the Qualcomm that offers a smoother experience than that you will get on a lot of older Wear OS watches. It doesn't support any truly unique features, but the overall package for the Fossil Sport may be the best watch for you. That will especially be the case if you're looking for a fitness watch that comes with Wear OS software and won't look on your wrist when you are going about your day. So friends, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you enjoyed the video, the thumbs up. Stay tuned for our next video. Thanks for watching.